So today we are going to have a look at the previous tasks, both task 1 and task 2 plus the level of listening and reading. Yes, this July's review will help you out in August 2021's tests. First of all, let's talk about 1st July's morning review. As you can see, listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate, task 1 was stable, and task 2. Some people think that everyone has the right to have access to university education and that the government should make it free for all students no matter what financial background they have. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? It was morning slot. Let's move to the evening. Listening was easy, reading was between easy, moderate, and task 1 was map. Task 2, crimes and other kinds of information on TV and newspaper have bad consequences. This kind of information should be restricted to be shown in media. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? ये भी काफी इजी था, बट हाँ एक चीज आपको बता दो, 10th जुलाई का जो इवनिंग का टेस्ट था वो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट था. Here is 10th July's morning slot. Some school leavers tend to go traveling or work for a period of time before going to university directly. What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages? Reading was between easy and moderate. Listening was easy, and task 1 in the morning slot was bar chart. And in the evening slot, task 2 was the best way to protect the environment is using local resources. हाँ ये वाला मैं बोल रहा था, like food and building material rather than transporting resources from other places. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Task 1 was stable, reading was between easy and moderate, and listening was easy. 17th July's morning slot, task 1 was pie charts, task 2. Nowadays, many people want to buy famous brands of clothes, cars, and other items. What are the reasons for this? Do you think it is a positive or negative development? Listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate. And अगर evening slot की बात करें तो task 1 was bar, and the level of listening was easy in the evening, plus reading's level was between easy and moderate. Now, what about morning slot of 24th July? Task 2 was, some people think that in this modern world, getting old is entirely bad. ये थोड़ा सा related है पिछले वाले से. However, other people believe that the life of old people is much better now than it was in the past. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Task 1 was the combination of table and line. Listening was easy, उसमें map था. And reading, it was between easy and moderate. First passage was about hormones. Second जो है redwoods, ये मेरे ख्याल से किसी वेबसाइट से आया था. मैंने बताया भी था किसी एक वीडियो में. मैंने भी एक recent वीडियो बनाई, उसमें मैंने वेबसाइट्स के बारे में बताया कौन कौन सी हैं. एक बार वो जरूर चेकआउट करना. थर्ड था rebranding art museums. Task 2 was schools are no longer necessary because children can get so much information available through the internet and they can study just as well at home. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It was easy. Task 1 was line graph. Listening was between easy and moderate, and same goes with reading. Now, the last test of the month, 31st July, morning slot, task 2 was, many young people change their jobs and careers. What are the reasons for this? It was really easy. Do advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Task 1 was process diagram. Listening and reading, हाँ ये दोनों easy moderate में रहे थे इस बार 31st को morning slot में. And evening task 2 was, some believe that people will purchase a product based on their needs and advertising is not necessary. To what extent do you agree or disagree? It was task 2. Task 1 was stable, listening was easy, reading was between easy and moderate. So this was the overall review of July. I hope this will help you out in preparing for August test. If you have test this month, then all the best guys, and stay tuned और भी बड़े बड़े चीजें आ रही हैं. Thank you for watching. Keep loving, keep supporting.